Good day, everyone, and welcome to the Colorado Springs Chamber and EDC COVID Business Solutions video series. These quick videos will be of local experts responding to immediate business questions with simple guidance to help you find solutions for your business this week. I'm Neil Arthur, CEO of ArthurBiz Advisors. We work with private and family business owners to improve performance, bottom line, and company valuations. Joining me today are Jackie Gonzalez. Jackie is a business banker with ABC Bank. She specializes in SBA lending and helping business owners expand, grow, or start a business. And April O'Neill. April is the Vice President, Senior Relationship Manager for TBK Bank, where she brings 25 years of financial industry experience to help her clients navigate the changing economy. And Jon Hollman. Jon is the Business Banking Relationship Manager at Vectra Bank in Colorado. So, Jackie, I understand that the SBA is requiring different and in some cases more detailed documentation for the second round of PPP loans, especially if you want eventual forgiveness. What should business owners be looking out for?
Yep, thanks, Neil. One thing to keep in mind is that each bank is going to be a little bit different. So this is a general list of what is required. Make sure you talk to your bank to find out what they specifically want. The one thing you're going to have to provide is evidence of a reduction in revenue. You do have to have a 25% decrease in top line revenue. You will have to provide that along with your 941s. For either 2019 or 2020, whichever payroll period you're using. You will also have to provide your state quarterly wage unemployment tax forms for that same period. Payroll reports, you'll need to have those for the same period, either 2019 or 2020. You do have the option to pick one of those periods. And then you have to have documentation that shows that you were in business on February 15th of 2020. So you can provide a bank statement showing that you had, an account. You can provide payroll reports. So just something that would show that you were in business at that time. And then if you're going to ask for retirement and healthcare contributions, you will need to provide documentation to, prove that as well. And then if you are a Schedule C filer, you will need your Schedule C for 2019, and you will have to fill one out for 2020. And one thing that SBA is requiring this time is that those documents have to be signed and dated. So, that's something that they didn't require last time. So that's a basic list of what's needed. And again, each bank is going to be a little bit different. So make sure you reach out to your bank and ask them what they're looking for.
Great tips, Jackie. Thank you. April, we've learned that while SBA rules have changed for this round of PPP loans, not every bank processes those loans in the same fashion. Some institutions don't take PPP at all, and some expect you to have a relationship already established, and some do not. Can you shed some light on where business owners should go for their particular needs?
Yes, thank you, Neil. The answer is your primary bank. It's extremely important to ensure that you have a relationship with your bank and banker. Your banker is going to be your number one resource to communicate with you and guide you through the PPP process. If you feel that you don't have a relationship with your banker and have provided the opportunity to them, this might be the time that you are looking to shop for a new bank that meets your expectations.
Thanks, April. Good tips. As they say, Jon, timing is everything. Word has it that while the PPP application process is open for all clients, there's a real expiration for the funding and forgiveness. Can you help our small business viewers understand that the clock is ticking and they need to start now?
Yes, Neil, definitely. March 31st is the expiration date on this program. Now, obviously it can be extended, but the real time frame is the funds. There's $284 billion that have been allocated for this program. The last I heard from last week was $60 billion had already had been allocated or funded by the SBA. So now is the time to get your application into your bank. It's important to get that process going It does take time to get the review of all the documentation done. And then the SBA is doing their own review of these loans this time, so it does slow down the time frame. But money is running out fairly quickly.
Thanks, John. And thank you, April and Jackie, for your insights, tips, wisdom, and advice. It sounds like the process has more documentation. There's a limited amount of funds, so act now and talk to your banker. Go to the people you have a relationship with, or start a new relationship if that's what you need to do. We hope this video of these experts in banking and PPP financing opportunity for small businesses have been useful. Please share it with business owners in your circles. For more information, please reach out to the Colorado Springs Chamber and EDC for more resources to keep your business thriving. Coming up next week will be videos on the legal implications of COVID and workers' comp. Stay safe and see you soon.